Ensure your vehicle is out of direct sunlight, in a garage or shady area. Apply a few drops of resin to the damaged area and cover with a curing strip. Ensure that all of the damage is covered with resin. Then, apply a gentle pressure to the inside of the windscreen. This will open up the cracks and allow the resin to penetrate the damage. Repeat this process until all of the air is removed from the damage. To help this process, heat may be used using a hairdryer or cigarette lighter to expand the glass. Check the damage at a 45-degree angle to ensure the damage is completely clear. Then expose to direct sunlight for 5 minutes. Remove the curing strip and then scrape away the hardened excess resin with the razor blade provided. Your permanent repair is now complete.